Hello family, and thank you for watching the Williams Family Adventures. First, you're gonna start off with your chicken. I've used two kinds of chicken, boneless and chicken wings. Red beans. I purchased these at the store, and there's the coconut cream. So you can season your chicken with the spices that you like. I seasoned my chicken. I added a little pepper, a little salt, some, as you can see, I added olive oil and Caribbean jerk sauce.
Promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like
so you can see I added water in the pan, not too much. I added the red beans. I also added green onions and the coconut cream. The green onion is just for the taste. I also put in thyme, and that makes it look nice and pretty. So after I cook my rice, this is the outcome. You have your jerk chicken. I also made some shish kebabs, vegetarian, and some red beans and rice. For his 7th birthday, to give him a beach party. Just a family, but yeah, we're on our way to the beach.
I would hate to be a lifeguard. You go down?
Can I go back in the water?
Not yet. You see everybody else pausing. No, everybody's trying to see what's going on. Before you get back in the water.
Was it a little kid?
Right there. Probably a surfer. See that? There's another lifeguard. Oh, damn.
The guy went all the way down there.
Eating Takis. Oh, there's his buddy. You're like, you gonna feed me or what? No, not gonna give me nothing. Oh my god! Oh my god! There's more coming.
Alright, you guys, so the water is beautiful, but I'm going to take you guys and show you guys a little piece of Venice Beach. Venice Beach is known for the incredible performers here. So we had a lot of performers, but it seemed like the time that we took our walk, everyone was on a break. But they did have some gambling games, some card games, a lot of performers, and the walk was awesome. Beautiful sights. So we're headed towards the famous basketball courts. Movies like Lords of Downtown, Once Upon a Time in Venice, and White Man Can't Jump was made on this court. Yes, this is a famous court. If you don't know, now you know.
They showing a basketball tournament. Where you at? Remember that movie we was watching on TV, White Man Can't Jump? This is where they played out, on this court, just like this. Here they go. Here they go, Trey. Here they go. Here they go. Here they go. Here they go. No, I don't know. Stay right here. There he goes. Oh. He's not ready for it. He's not ready. Don't worry, you got a bag full of toys. And a house full of food. And cupcakes, whatever you want.
Okay, so as we watch them play, now some of the food here that we've seen, as you guys can see, there's a lot of vendors. They sell funnel cakes, they sell hamburgers, hot dogs, hot links. I mean, nachos, fried chicken, you name it, tacos. We got like almost every different kind of California food. California food, they got it here. I mean, they sell a little bit of everything. And the drinks and the smoothies, oh my God, on a hot day is amazing. They even come up to you when you're on the beach. They'll bring around, drinks and sodas, and actually if you want to buy it. I mean, the pastrami chili cheese fries in California is just, Los Angeles is just so good, you guys. It's so good. So just a little bit about myself. I was born in Compton, California. I grew up on Claude in Acacia. I was named Angie B. That was my nickname, Bubblicious. So I wanted to take my family, out the hood, but I wanted to give them that hood back too, because they needed to know where their mother came from. And I came from Compton, California. So I wanted to always share that with my kids, and that they know that Los Angeles is where their mama came from. There's tennis courts and also a park for the kids to play at. I hope you guys like this video and subscribe.